It's a year of mixed feelings with Jeffrey and Tony in the MX1 class. Yeah, you're very confident, you know, going into the season normally, and you're quite relaxed and convinced that the championship is yours. Once again, it's proven that in sport, and specifically in motocross, nothing's sure until it's finished. And yeah, unfortunately, we had to experience that this year. We still have our really good MX2 riders with Jorge, where we were also really confident coming into the season that he was going to be able to defend his championship. There was a little mishap at the beginning of the season when he had a little injury. Luckily, he came back quickly and strong from that.
With the whole team, Team Decali and the Red Bull KTM Factory Racing team, we worked very hard. For sure, we improved the bike physically, so these two things, you know, make that full package got even better. Last year I had a very good season, and this year I'm trying to get it even better. So we had a very good winter preparation, very good pre-season races, and then we were very ready for the GPs.
Our second rider in MX2, Tom Vialle, that he made the progress that he has made, because with a little coming into the season with a very little experience, we could only build as much structure as possible around him and try to make him feel comfortable and give him the confidence. But that he was gonna do like he did now, 3 seconds in a row, that nobody of us had expected.
For sure, this season was really good for me. All the race, it's good, and the beginning was also good for make a podium for the second round, and yeah, for me it's a good result.
With the sadness of Tony and Jeffrey being sidelined, these results have brought a bit of joy and happiness anyway under the awning here.